Hello guys, have a good day to all and everyone. So ito tayo guys, I'm walking. So at this moment guys, I'm walking ayun sa mainit-init na panahon. Medyo kumilimlim na tayo dun banda guys. So kaya kailangan lalakad na din tayo guys. Kasi marami na din tayong kailangan. So it's needed na talaga. Need to go out and need to walk. So yun lang guys for today's video. Maraming salamat. Have a good day everyone and keep safe. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Ayun. Ito na naman tayo guys. Sa nakikita nyo si Inday Joan nyo guys. So kahit mapawis-pawisan pa tayo dito sa init guys. Ayan. Magbibideo talaga tayo dito sa ano guys, kahit mainit. So yun lang, keep safe everyone, have a good day to all. Meron lang akong kailangan doon guys, marami naman tayong mga bilihin dapat. So thank you so much, have a blessed day, keep safe, see you next. Thank you for watching guys, God bless.